Go ahead. Go ahead, Michaela. Listen.
Grass clippings are placed in a bin where they decompose. For 0 is less than T, less than or equal to T, or less than or equal to 30. The amount of grass clippings remaining in the bin is modeled by A of T equals 6.687 multiplied by 0.9631 to the power of T, where A of T is measured in pounds and T is measured in days.
All right. Your first question is find the average rate. The average rate. The average rate between what? 0 and 30. So going to be what? A of 30 minus A of 0 divided by 30 minus 0. Now I want like for you to use a calculator to find how much is that.
Oh, my bad.
Negative 0.19682.
Negative 1.96 or 97. You want to always do the third decimal. Okay? Pounds per day. Negative 1.97 pounds per day. All right? B. All right? There's two ways of doing B. There's two ways of doing B. I'm going to show you how to do it without a calculator and how to do it with a calculator. All right. How to do it without calculator. They're asking about 8 prime of 15. So I need to find 8 prime of T first. What I'm using A to the U. The derivative of A to the U prime, it is U prime, A to the U, ln A, all right? So this will be, A prime will be 6.687 is the constant. You don't have to worry about it. Multiplied by 0.931 to the T times ln 0.931. That's how you do it. And then after that, on the final derivative, you find A prime of 15. A prime of 15 is going to be 6.687 times 0.931 to the 15 times ln 0.931. All right. I have to put all of this in calculator. That will give you negative 1.164. All right. What does that mean? It means what? It decrease. It decrease. All right. At a rate of 1.164 pounds per day. It decreased at a rate of 1.64 pounds per day. Yes.
When did you use A to the U? Like, where is that?
A to the U is like here. You see the ln A? This is A to the T, so this is ln A. Okay, 6.687 is a constant, so I don't have to worry about it because it's outside the exponent. All right, but here it is A to the U. U prime is T, derivative T equal what? Go calculus. And then the derivative at x equal, at point, at x equal. All right. The variable, put the variable, put x, okay, value 15, and hit enter. Yes, hit enter. You see, this will show up. dx, all right, x equal 15. This will show up. Now, make sure you put your function here, 6.687 times 0.931 to the x. There's a parenthesis after the x. If you don't have it, you're not going to get right. Don't put t, put x. Got it? Got the same answer? Got a negative 1.64?
That's
Rounded to 640.
Yeah.
that's the time.
Alright, let me see.
Yes.
That's the time after the 7.
Yeah, I got it.
Yes.
I got it.
This time. All right. You got it?
I got
No,
it.
I didn't reset it.
I got it.
Oh, what's your
Okay. This,
Um.
if you do the answer, you should get this.
If you round it.
This, the first one.
Go ahead, Taj. This isn't going to be online
Go
anyway. You
down.
can watch it again. All right.
Yeah, 15. Yeah, and
All right. This is two ways of doing it. You can do it that way, using a calculator, use this way, or use a calculator, do it that way. So any one of them, it will work. Everybody got that? Yes. All right.
I got it.
Okay. Now, C. Find the time t for which the amount of grass clippings in the bin is equal to the average. So we need to find the average. F average equal 1 over b minus a integral from a to b of f of t dt. That's the F average. So we're going to use this formula to find the average. It's going to be 1 over 30 minus 0, integral from 0 to 30 of 6.687 multiplied by 0.931 to the t dt. All right? This is what we have to do. This to find the average. To find the average. So go ahead, plug in the calculator, find the average. And then
931.
2.75.
Can you put the power of x instead
And
of
then
power
after 2
t?
is what?
So could you just put the power of x instead of t right there? The d
Yes,
x.
that's what I was saying.
Gosh, I seen you. Whoa.
All right, it is not done yet. This is what we're going to use. We're using the average, using the F average to find it.
Okay.
They use found the t, so I mean what? A of t equal to 2.753. All right, so to be solving for t. Now solve for t. So what does that mean? It means that 6.687 times 0.931 to the t equal to 2.753. Now we're solving for t, so we divided by 6.87. So 0.931 to the t equal 2.753 divided by 6.687. Now we know when we have an exponent variable, we need to use ln to bring it down. So it's going to be ln 0.931 t to the t is equal to ln 2.753 divided by 6.687. Yes, go ahead. All right, so mean t ln 0.931 equal to ln 2.753 over 6.687. So t is equal to 1 over ln 0.931 multiplied by ln 2.753 over 6.687. And then do you use calculator? Find what's t equal to. Use the calculator.
And it's right now.
All right. The last one, D. When you hear word linear approximation, linear approximation is just like the tangent line. So I can use Lx or use Y, all the same, equal f prime of A, x minus A, plus f of A. You everybody recognize this one as a tangent line?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. All right. So now what is A here on this question here? It's a at t equal 30. So at t equal 30 mean A, our A is 30. All right.
It said
At t equal 30.
It is.
It says
It's
3.
It's equal 3.
No, my mistake. Put 3 0.
Alright, put a 0 there.
All right. So you're gonna find A of 30, which is 6.687 times 0.931 to the 30. And then you're gonna find A prime of t, which is 6.687 times a to the u, so 0.31 to the t times n 0.931, and then plug in the 30. So we're going to be what? A prime of 30, which is 6.687, 0.931 to the 30, multiplied by ln 0.931. Do the work, calculator. All right, go ahead and do the calculator for me.
I got negative 0.055 now. So negative 0.055 makes it cute.
Yes, what about the top one? A of 30.
0.783.
Yeah. That's what I thought.
0.783. All right, I got all the numbers I'm looking for. All right, I got all numbers looking for. I can go say Lx is negative 0.056 times x minus 30. All right, plus 0.783. All right. Now the next part of the question says use L of x to predict the time at which there will be 0.5 pound of grass. So mean what? We're gonna say L of x equal 0.5. So I'll solve for x. So it's gonna be negative 0.056 x minus 30 plus 0.783 equals 0.5. And we solve this for x. So minus what? 0.0783 minus 0.783. All right, it's going to be what? Negative 0.056 x minus 30 equals negative 0.283. You divide it by negative 0.056, it's going to be x minus 30 will be equal to negative 0.283 over negative 0.056. So x is equal to 30 plus 0.283 over 0.056. This will be 35.054. Have to use calculator.
I don't want to hold back the video.
Everybody here, please. When you see a graph like this on the AP, what do you have to do first?
Find the
Find where-
intersections.
Find the intersection.
Hey, got her.
All right. So
Hopefully
find
that shows up on here.
first. Find the intersection of y equal 4 and y equal x4 minus 2.3 x cubed plus 4. Find where they intersect. Find where they intersect, please, everybody. Because this question, I'm 100% certain this question like this will come on the AP.
Alright, so I need to go to graph.
Alright?
I'm gonna go to graph. You okay? You are X cubed.
I got the intersection.
Yes?
Good job.
I got 0, 4,
They intersect at x equals 0.
yeah, and x equals 2.3.
They intersect at x equals 0 and
X equals 2.3.
and x equals 2.3. Alright, that's 1 point. You got it. You always got it 1 point right now.
Alright, so we
Alright.
write this in the first one for.
So now the area.
I'm right there, right?
The area R is integral from what to what?
From 0 to 2.3.
Yes? Of what?
X 4
4,
minus 2, wait,
the whole function.
X to the 4.
X to the 4.
Minus-
Please don't forget the parentheses here.
Minus 2.3 x cubed plus 4.
Plus 4.
Hey, turn up.
Please don't forget it. And everything else here, plug in calculator, get you 2 points. You put your limit, you put in calculator, got 2 points right there.
So solve. Peace be
Almost got it,
still.
Sam.
Peace be still.
3.218.
1,
You do round about that?
Alright. That's the volume. That's the area, sorry. I'm gonna remind you all the volume formulas you need to know. There's only 4 of them. When it is a horizontal line, it's x-axis. The volume V equal pi from A to B of f of x squared minus g of x squared dx.
So how much time will we get on each
Alright,
x?
when now, pay attention here now, when y equal k, the volume V equal pi A to B f of x minus k squared minus g of x minus k squared dx. That's the formulas. How you know it's a horizontal line, you're either gonna say x-axis or y equal. No, this is formula, this is not a part of the answer.
Plus
That's
that
the
part
line.
that goes down.
Okay, you put in a separate piece of paper, I'm just going it down. Now, when you say vertical line, okay, it's gonna be either y-axis or x equal k. Okay, pay attention here. Horizontal line is y equal. So U volume V equal 2 pi from A to B of x times f of x minus g of x dx. Alright? When x equal k, the volume V equal 2 pi x minus k f of x minus g of x dx. That's it. Now, every single volume, when it rotates, you only failing into one of these 4. Alright? You're only going to fall into one of these 4. All you need to know which one. Let's look at the question we have here. Where do these rotate?
Horizontal.
So what line is that?
Y equals K.
Y equal, what y equal?
Oh, negative 2.
So which one are you going to do? V equal what?
Pi.
Uh-huh.
A to B.
So 0 to 2.3.
Oh.
Yes?
Unless F is.
F is 4. The
Oh.
first function is 4, the second one is this one.
So 4 minus
Yes?
X.
Negative 2.
How you get that?
Because the line y equal -2.
Okay.
Alright? Square minus x to the 4 minus 2.3 x cubed plus 4 minus -2 square dx.
Why do we do okay? I was confused. I thought we'd be doing x-axis since it's it's not an x-axis. Never mind. Ooh. All right. Sometimes I have to solve my own problems.
Alright? After you do the work, this one is equal to what? 98. Put in the calculator, 98.6868. It is a cross section. When it's a cross section, they give you all the shape. What is the shape they give you? It is a cross section. Alright, what is the area of an isosceles triangle? A equal what? I give you 2 here, so you know.
1/3.
1/2 times what?
B8.
No.
It was big D.
1/2 is what? No.
What are you talking
I got that paper.
I don't know.
1/2 S squared.
1/2 s squared.
Oh.
I was slipping.
Dang.
Alright, so now my volume V will be 1/2, alright, from 0 to 2.3. The side, my side is f of x minus g of x. So which is going to be 4 minus x to the 4 minus 2.3 x cubed plus 4. So it's going to be 4 minus x to the 4 minus 2.3 x cubed plus 4 squared dx. I'll give you what?
I got you, Mike.
3.574.
Dang, I want to.
Alright, you see how easy, quick?
Hold on.
That's an easy 9 point. Easy 9 point. It don't take like D. They say divided by what? The vertical line. This is the graph. This is the graph. The graph look like this. Okay? Is that a line, a vertical line, x equal k. Divide this one into half. This side and this side. They say into 2 equal areas. What does that mean? I don't know what this k is, but if I go from 0 to k, or 4 minus whatever I find, all right, x to the 4 minus 2.3 x cubed plus 4 dx equal to from k to 2.3 or 4 minus x cubed minus 2.3, and no, x4 minus 2.3 x cubed plus 4 dx. That's all you have to do.
So they're saying they both equal.
Yes, there you go.
I was about to ask if you meant to put.
All right.